Dito kami sa KFC.
So what you want for sides?
What is it? The same like having in there.
The 16-piece bucket, please, or the meal?
Mel, you got enough for a 16 piece? Yeah. Okay. What's your 4 size?
4 sides. Oh, okay. What do you want for 4 sides? Mashed potatoes and gravy. What else? Mac and cheese. What's the next?
That is so like what is the other one? Coleslaw, right?
Coast, yeah.
Yeah.
All 4 of those? Okay, mashed potatoes,
Except for
coleslaw,
French fries.
mac and cheese, and sweet corn, all 4.
Anything else?
Ito na ang aming KFC. O, diba? May KFC kami. Iba yung... Oy, parehas lang yung chicken ng KFC dyan sa atin. Look. Parehas lang yung template. Siyempre, isa lang kasi yung gumawa yung ano nito eh. Tapos ito yung side dish nila. Baked macaroni, cheese macaroni, and mashed potato and the corn. And this one too. The bread or biscuit. Salt. Gravy. Ganyan yung lagay ng gravy nila dito. Bakit sa atin ang liit-liit ng lagay ng gravy? Another side dish, coleslaw. So, ito yung kasama ng 1 bucket. Ayan, mga side dish nila. Yan lang, kain tayo.